weather there. I was minging, it was freezing cold and full of flat. Oh. Good morning.
Hello, from nice and sunny Koh Samui.
Oh, I like it. Catchphrase.
Today we're going to do a video on some malls that are in Koh Samui. We'll take you around and show you what's open, what isn't, what's there.
We're going to take advantage of the nice weather because 2 days ago I had to get my tooth out. I had a wisdom tooth took out and that was 1,500 baht.
Yeah, which was brilliant. That was for injection, removal,
aftercare stuff as well.
Aftercare.
So yeah, pretty decent really. Didn't feel any particular pain afterwards or anything. After I had a couple of changs I was right as rain. What else happened yesterday?
Yesterday we were going to go to immigration. We went and it was closed. Then when it reopened after dinner we were told to go back the next day. So then we were going to have a drive about and we noticed that we had a flat tyre, so I had to get that sorted.
Yeah, and that took, normally it would take about 5 to 10 minutes, but in Thai time it took about 3.5 to 4 hours.
Oh, you've got to love Thai time.
And also all day yesterday the power was out on the island, so there was pretty much nothing to do.
Oh yeah, we had a big power outage, so that was fun.
So now we're going to meet up with our friend Keith from Texas.
Yes.
And he's going to take us around, so let's go.
Let's go.
He's Keith. Hello,
hey
Keith.
guys.
How are you doing? Nice to see you, brother.
You too, you too. So what do y'all think, the mall?
Yes, let's go to the mall.
What was it you're after today, Keith?
Bought. I'm broke.
We have made it to Central Mall. Good driver, good drive.
That was a challenge. Some new fans. Keith, I'm recording your PIN number.
Maybe they'll put money in. Don't feel bad for me. This is the changing room. And I was getting changed in here and you can't keep this closed.
Right, okay, we've brought you to the main strip of Chaweng. It's not looking too grand.
It's really sad. It really is. Like when we were here a few years ago, everywhere was bouncing, and now everywhere's shut.
Sign for the art bar there. As you can see, there's no traffic. Let's have a little walk down. This was a great little bar, this. It was just totally full. Pool tables. Can you remember it? We were sat on a...
Sat on a stool like by the door.
Yeah. Looking out over this is the Dream Girls Club. That doesn't look like it's been open for quite some time now.
That was always quite busy.
Yeah, that was a good little bar as well, wasn't it? Oh, what a shame.
I've never been down here in the evening. I do know a lot of these bars do open. Well, more of them are closed, but...
Can't believe it. I thought at least some of them have been open, but all of them look like they haven't been open for ages. Big chains on the Galaxy bar. Wow. Signs all covered up. But it does look like they could just take everything off and open it, yeah. Oh, this was all bouncing. This was rammed with people all around here.
Green mango.
31st anniversary. The shame of the situation's wiped that out.
I mean, look at the dust on this. This hasn't been used. The pool table, look at that. That's post-apocalyptic, that pool table.
I bet you were in straighter than the one in our club.
I bet there's more chalk.
Sapalot!
Very nice.
You know sapalot?
I don't.
Pineapple.
In Thai. Pineapple in Thai.
Sapalot. Yeah, sapalot.
I know.
So there you go. There's the bar opening back up soon. No all doom and gloom. Irish bar there. That looks like it's... Yeah, you can just open the shutters and it'll be right. What do you feel about that then?
It's such a shame, it really is. It's so different to what it was a couple of years ago. And we all know what's to blame for that.
Well, look at this. This is Hooters.
Strange looking pool table. It's like a homemade.
There's nothing in there going on. Hard Rock Cafe next door, that's all shut down. Bondi bar. Spent many an afternoon in that bar, haven't we, Sharon? How was our seat there? You come up in the middle there and turn round, and we used to sit in that corner there. And sit and watch.
Freeze.
Yeah, there was 2 screens in here. We just used to sit and watch whatever sport was on the telly and just go.
And then when the Hookers girls did their dance.
Everybody turned that way.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what's going on.
The harsh
In Chaweng.
reality of Chaweng. Awful.
Let's hope it picks up soon.
Yeah. Pete's just told us that these taste like McDonald's McRibs. So let's try them out. 20 baht. What's that? 50 pence.
Okay, now you go. Look at you laughing. Well, that concludes our Chaweng video. It's pretty sad really to see it that way. Hopefully it starts picking up soon. I know there's more foreign tourists coming over now, so everywhere's starting to get fully booked. Looks like everything sort of bubble wrapped really, everything took off and be right as rain. So yeah, that's it. I think in the next couple of days we're going to go to Lamai and do a little walk around there, see what that's like. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, leave us a thumbs up if you like the video, and see you in the next one.